If you're struggling in the bedroom, the problem might not be in your head or even down there. The truth? It's often about what's happening in your arteries, your hormones, and your daily habits. And the good news? You can fix it naturally. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the real causes of erectile dysfunction, ED, the science behind it, and simple steps you can take today to restore performance, energy, and confidence. But first, I want to thank you for your company today. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to us and helps us to make new videos about men's health every week. Let us know in the comments any topic you would like us to cover. Thank you again. And now, back to today's talking point. What is ED? It's when you can't get or keep an erection strong enough for sex, and it happens more often than just a one-off bad night. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, means consistently having trouble getting or keeping an erection firm enough for sex. It's more common than you think, affecting up to 30 million men in the U.S. alone. But it affects men across the world and is a constant source of stress and worry. And if you think ED is just an old man's problem, think again. It's coming for guys in their 20s and 30s too. ED doesn't just strike older men, it can sneak up on you at any age. In fact, many of the biggest causes are silent, slowly building over years, and by the time you notice, it's already affecting your performance. And yes, plenty of younger men are facing it too. An erection depends on three things working perfectly together: good blood flow, healthy nerves, and balanced hormones. If even one of these is off, performance suffers. 1. Poor blood flow. High cholesterol, smoking, and inactivity can narrow arteries. Think of them like garden hoses. If they're clogged, pressure drops. 2. Hormonal imbalances. Low testosterone and high cortisol from stress can kill desire and performance. 3. Chronic stress and poor sleep. Stress triggers adrenaline, which constricts blood vessels, and poor sleep can tank testosterone production. Let's look at each factor in more detail. Now keep this in mind. This video is meant to educate and empower, not diagnose nor prescribe. Always speak with your doctor or a licensed medical professional before taking any action based on the content you see here. Talk to your doctor before you do anything, please. Okay, why ED happens. The big three silent culprits. The biggest culprits behind erectile dysfunction are often silent, creeping in over many years. You may not feel them day to day, but they quietly sabotage your performance until one day you notice things just aren't working the way they used to. The first big issue is poor blood flow. Your arteries are the highway of your body, and if they're not clear, you'll face a host of problems. An erection is essentially a hydraulic event. Blood has to rush into the penis quickly and stay there. The main pipes that supply this blood are the penile arteries, which are small and easily affected by blockages. High cholesterol can cause fatty deposits, called plaque, to stick to artery walls. Over time, this narrows the pathway and restricts blood flow. Smoking adds to the damage by scarring the lining of blood vessels and making them less flexible. And if you're inactive, your cardiovascular system loses efficiency, meaning less oxygen and nutrients get to where they're needed. Think of your arteries like garden hoses. If they're kinked, clogged, or brittle, water pressure drops. And so does sexual performance. So what can you do today to improve circulation? When it comes to sexual health, your blood vessels are the real MVP, most valuable player. Better circulation means better performance generally, but especially sexual performance, plain and simple. Here's how to keep that blood flowing like it should. 1. Move more daily. Give your arteries a workout. You don't need a gym membership or a marathon training plan. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or even dancing each day can make a measurable difference in your blood vessel health. When you move, your heart pumps faster, pushing more blood through your arteries. This not only delivers oxygen and nutrients more efficiently, but also keeps your blood vessels flexible. like well-oiled pipes instead of stiff, rusted ones. Over time, regular movement reduces plaque buildup and improves the ability of your arteries to dilate when you need them to, like during intimacy. 2, eat for your arteries. Fuel that flow. What you put on your plate can either clear your arteries or clog them. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, help reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and keep blood vessels elastic. Nuts and seeds like walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are also loaded with these healthy fats. On the flip side, avoid trans fats, often hiding in processed snacks, margarine, and fried fast food, because they increase bad LDL cholesterol and decrease good HDL cholesterol. That's a double hit against your circulation. 3, quit smoking. Protect the lining. Every cigarette you smoke releases thousands of chemicals that damage the endothelium, the delicate inner lining of your blood vessels. Once damaged, the vessels become stiffer, narrower, and less responsive. Quitting smoking starts reversing some of this damage almost immediately. Within weeks, your blood circulation improves. Within months, oxygen delivery is more efficient. And over time, your risk of ED drops dramatically. It's one of the fastest, most powerful changes you can make for your performance and overall health. The second major issue is hormonal imbalances. Testosterone is the master male hormone. It fuels desire, maintains muscle, supports mood, and primes the body for sexual performance. Low testosterone can leave you with a low libido, weak erections, and reduced stamina. But testosterone isn't the only hormone that matters. Cortisol, the stress hormone, plays the villain here. When cortisol stays high for too long, it can suppress testosterone production, disrupt sleep, and increase fat storage, especially around the belly, which further drives testosterone down. In other words, your hormonal system is a delicate switchboard. When one wire is out of balance, the whole system's signals get scrambled. What can you do to boost testosterone? Naturally, you don't need synthetic hormones to raise testosterone, and in many cases, they can come with other risks and side effects. Instead, your body can be coaxed into producing more of its own natural testosterone with a few simple but powerful lifestyle shifts. 1. Strength train at least 3 times a week. Lifting weights isn't just for bodybuilders. It's one of the most effective ways to stimulate testosterone production. Focus on big, compound movements like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups. These exercises work multiple large muscle groups, which sends a strong signal to your body. We need more testosterone to fuel this work. And the bonus, more lean muscle also improves insulin sensitivity and metabolism. 2. Get 15 minutes of sunlight daily for vitamin D. Vitamin D isn't just for bone health. It's a hormone-like nutrient that plays a big role in testosterone production. Just 15 minutes of midday sunlight on your skin can help bring your levels of vitamin D up. If you live in a place with long winters, consider a vitamin D supplement, but check your blood levels first. 3. Lose the excess belly fat. Abdominal fat is more than just a spare tire. It's hormonally active. Fat tissue, especially around the belly, contains an enzyme called aromatase, which converts testosterone into estrogen. The more belly fat you have, the more testosterone you lose. By reducing body fat through a mix of strength training, cardio, and clean eating, you help preserve and even boost your testosterone levels naturally. Before we continue, here's something worth knowing. If you've been feeling frustrated or even embarrassed about changes in bedroom performance, sensitivity, stamina, or desire, you're not alone. And it's not your fault. There's a 100% natural solution that's already helped thousands of men feel confident and energized again. No pills, no injections, no procedures, no surgery, no risky shortcuts. Just a simple, easy home remedy you can make at home, designed to support what researchers are now calling the manhood molecule, a key factor for arousal, blood flow, and lasting power. Find out more. There's a link in the description. And now big issue number 3, lack of sleep and chronic stress. Not enough sleep, the performance killer. You must not ignore. Stress puts your body into fight or flight mode. That's great if you're running from danger, but terrible for when you're being intimate with a partner. Adrenaline, released during stress, causes blood vessels to constrict, reducing the blood available for an erection. Your mind may be willing, but your body is busy bracing for an attack. Poor sleep compounds the problem. Most of your daily testosterone is produced during deep sleep, especially in the early hours of the morning. If you're cutting sleep short, waking up often, or sleeping in a noisy or bright environment, you're robbing your body of the chance to restore hormone levels. Over time, this becomes a vicious cycle. Stress makes you sleep worse, and poor sleep makes you more stressed. Stress, the quiet killer of intimacy. Stress doesn't just weigh on your mind, it robs your body of the ability to perform. When stress lingers, your body pumps out adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones constrict blood vessels, lower testosterone, and keep your mind distracted, the exact opposite of what you want for a healthy sex life. The good news? A few small daily habits that you can begin easily can reverse that damage and start to restore balance. 1. Practice deep breathing or meditation 10 minutes daily. Just 10 minutes of slow, focused breathing can trigger your body's relaxation response, lowering cortisol and improving blood flow. Try the 4-7-8 method. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale slowly for 8. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale slowly for 8. Got it? Over time, this trains your nervous system to switch off the constant fight or flight mode. 2. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Your bedroom should be a recovery zone. Keep it cool, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius, as lower temperatures help your body release melatonin. Block out light with blackout curtains, and reduce noise with earplugs or a white noise machine. A calm, dark space tells your brain it's time to rest. 3. Keep a regular bedtime. Your body loves rhythm. Your body thrives on routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day keeps your internal clock in sync, boosts sleep quality, and supports testosterone production. Even on weekends, try to keep the same schedule. Your hormones will thank you. See a medical expert. Don't ignore the signs. If lifestyle changes aren't making a difference, don't just shrug it off. Erectile dysfunction isn't always just about performance. It can be your body's way of sounding the alarm. Blocked arteries, high blood sugar, and hormone disorders often show up in the bedroom before they show up anywhere else. In fact, ED can be one of the very first warning signs of heart disease or diabetes. Catching these issues early can mean preventing a heart attack, reversing diabetes risk, and restoring hormone balance, all while protecting your intimacy. The sooner you talk to your doctor, the sooner you can get the right tests, the right treatment, and the right plan for long-term health. Don't waste time. Do it today. Early intervention can save your health and your sex life. And remember, it's always wise to check with your doctor or qualified medical expert before taking any action that could impact your health. Better to be safe. Okay, let's recap and conclude. If you're struggling with low performance in the bedroom, the problem most likely isn't always in your head or even down there, but in your daily habits, diet, and lifestyle. To improve your sex life and boost your stamina in the bedroom, move your body more, eat for circulation, lift for testosterone, rest for recovery, and see your doctor if things don't improve. ED is not a life sentence. It's your body's wake-up call. Listen to it, act on it, and you can get your hardness back, get your stamina back, and your performance back. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below to let us know of any topic you want us to look into. And check out the 100% natural home remedy that thousands of men worldwide are using to boost performance and stamina in the bedroom. Learn more? There's a link in the description below. Thank you for your company today. Thank you for your support. We very much appreciate it. Until next time, take care.